Hello friends, in this video we will discuss how to create a database in SQL Server using GUI and in query also. Okay, so first we can create database using this Object Explorer. So expand that and right click new database. Here we are giving like SDB. So two files are there. That is one is MDF file, one is log file. We are not changing any path. Okay, then we are just click OK now. See, DB is created now. Okay, so this way we can create the DB and we need to rename this. Then right click, rename. Just we can tell like old, just enter. So the DB name is renamed now. Okay, so this way we can rename the database and we need to drop this database. Then we can right click here and delete. Click OK. Then database is dropped now. Okay. So this way we can create and alter and drop the database. Now we can check with query. So we can create database using create database command and database name testdb. Then we will execute here. Commands completed successfully. Right click here and just refresh. Then testdb created now. Okay. Now we want to alter that database. Okay. So we can tell alter database name, that is testdb. Then modify name equal to, we need to change testdb previous pre. Then we will execute this. The database name testdb underscore pre has been set. Then we will right click here just to refresh this. See testdb underscore pre. Then we need to drop this database. Then we can tell drop database name. So now database name is test db underscore pre, right? Then we will execute this. See command completed successfully. Now we will right click here and refresh this. Database dropped now. Okay. So create database we can use create database and database name. Alter we can use alter database. Here we can use the modify name. This is the DB name and this is the modified name. And drop a database we can use drop database name. Okay. Okay, thanks for watching.